Alrighty guys, back with you here. It is March the 5th, 2019, roughly 9 o'clock, almost 10 of 9 a.m. Eastern. Already got some action happening, and looks like we've got a potential short setup here happening. We've got a signal bar that printed at 7:19 a.m. this morning. The NQ side, nothing really I'm interested in. This signal bar printed at 22:02. I don't want anything to do with this. If we get a break right here, we'll attempt an entry, and we'll see what happens.
Order filled.
In fact, I'm going to execute now. We'll take the trade here. 15-point stop, $150. Negative if we lose for 2 contracts. Alright guys, we're going to let this develop here for a little bit. I'm going to grab some coffee in the meantime, and we'll tune back in here in a few. Alright guys, back with you here. So it looks like we're up almost 7 points. See if we can get this back up to, get back up to 7 or 8 here, and then we'll take one off the table, I think.
Order filled.
Let's go ahead and take one off the table now. I do apologize if I'm talking a little more quiet than normal. Got the other half sleeping right now. Don't want to be too loud. Yeah, we'll just waited like another second. We would have hit the 10-point mark, right? Oh, man. Part of me is just trying to minimize as much risk as possible, make a redemption from yesterday after being stupid in the afternoon. I mean, there's no reason for that stuff, right? It's unbelievable. All right, so there she is, guys. She's developing. We're up 15. Would have hit break even, essentially, 100% break even if we just waited like 2 seconds. Patience, right? But I think, yeah, $35, $40 loss. I'll handle that, no problem. That's fine. It's either that or 150, right? Which really should try and get more closer to break even, right? Because then if you're just, if you were to just trade one contract at 15 points, that's 50, 60, 75, a 75 loss, as opposed to 40, what did I say, 35, 40, not that much different. So you're putting yourself at more risk, risking to lose 150. Yeah, so you know, 10 points I think would have been a good number to close half. Okay guys, we're up 30 points. See the NQ's pushing down too. It'd be nice if we see the NQ flip and give us a short signal bar. I mean, what a crazy sell-off yesterday, guys. I mean, just looking at it now, the 70 points we captured was from here to here. Look at how much we left on the table. It was over a 200-point move. But the charts don't lie, and you just trade what's in front of you, guys, and that's it. And, we saw yesterday it took 2 entries. You got to take the entries, right? If you don't take them, you're going to miss the opportunity. But you keep your stops tight. It's going to work in your favor. It'd be interesting if she does want to keep pushing down today, how far she'll want to go. I mean, I suspect we hit some serious resistance here at this level. Okay, guys, we'll let this develop. We'll tune back in here in a little bit. It's 9 o'clock. Still another 25 minutes or so to the opening bell. See you guys in a few. Alright guys, back with you here. Another minute to go for the opening bell. Here we go. Okay guys, she's made a push down here. 47 points, positive. 48. Okay guys, here we go. This is why I'm trying to be patient. She's going to push back down here, hopefully past this level. Here we go. Peaking at 90. Okay, over 90. Yep, we're going to move into the next level here, which should be the tail of this guy here. 25771. Okay, we're up almost 100 points. Now the NQ is pushing down now. She just flipped. Okay, let's not leave points on the table. Just move this, the take profit down. I'm tempted just to close now for 100 points, call it a day. Yeah, you're anticipating the retrace here, so naturally she's going to pull back a little bit, right? Before she would push down. Okay, guys, there's some retrace here. Let's see it on the NQ. Naturally, the YM follows, right? Or they both kind of move together. I don't want to say follow, that's probably the wrong way to phrase that, but just what I know what to anticipate on the NQ. I'm anticipating this move to pull back right on the YM because I'm anticipating a retrace because that's right what we look for and what happens after we get a signal bar most of the time. So hopefully, let's see if the YM wants to keep pushing down. I mean, we're up 100 points, right? So it's, you don't want to be greedy, but you don't want to leave, points on the table.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. We just got nixed out for...
Order filled.
60 points.
Order filled.
I was going to try and take the entry here on the NQ, see if we could get a push down. Yeah, I should have locked in 80, called it a day, huh? That's just me being greedy. 80 to 100 points, no reason not to close that out.
Order filled.
Okay, it's a 4.25 stop. I'm going to take one off at 2 points. I'll take a $40 loss on this, no big deal if we get stopped out. The only reason kind of felt comfortable looking at this NQ trade, right, taking the entry off a retracement, watching how the YM was just pushing. I figured she's got to pull back here a little bit to at least maybe, give me confidence. Also, the NQ is going to move back to get us to break even. Okay, I just took 20 off the table for the NQ. I wasn't going to give that back. That was too much to give back, in my opinion, after we gave too much back over here on the YM. So what you saw was me just hitting the plus 20, and that put it right down, I guess, right over the limit there. So no reason to be greedy. Okay, guys, that's it for me. I'm going to shut the platform down. There's no reason to keep trading this morning. We already had a good morning. Barring we left points on the table over here. But I think, definitely when we got to 100, we should have locked in 80. But that's neither here nor there. We got 60 out of the YM, 20 out of the NQ. So I think we're going to call it a day. Let's see, tomorrow, Wednesday the 6th. Yeah, see you guys bright and early. Latest.